Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make 15 minutes hairstyles. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Do you want to learn more about this channel? Please go in there and subscribe to this channel, guys. Okay, in case of whenever time I upload video, you shall be notified. So what we have here, we have extension, braids, color 1B, take one portion of the braid extension and share it into 3 parts. So use the elastic band to hold it like so. Spray it with the olive oil. Then this is the 3 portion we have here. So the next thing that I will be doing here, I'm going to separate my hair into 3 parts. Okay guys, I will be using this hair control. Yeah, I'm going to be doing some coral here. So bring out your rubber band to hold the hair like so. So apply the channe on it and use the rubber band to hold the hair like the way you see right now, guys. Yeah. Then bring out your comb to style the hair down like so. Okay, guys. Right now I am going to install my extension braids on my head right now. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Okay, guys. And as you enjoy this video, don't forget to share this video. Share this video, my people. Okay. So the next thing you will do here, you will have to hide the hair in between the braid extension. Okay, guys, I hope you can see the way I am achieving it right now. The next thing you will do, you have to bring out your needle and thread to sew this hair down like so, because you know you can't just leave it like that. You must sew the hair with the threads, okay, just to secure the hair. Maybe with this hair can be able to last you maybe for 1 week or 2 weeks. Let me say so. So like this hairstyle, guys, it's not difficult. It's very simple. It's very easy to do. It's very easy. I do this hairstyle for just 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I'm done. You see, guys, very simple hairstyles. This is the kind of hair you would like to rush and do, you know, especially if you're going to, maybe you want to rush and go to somewhere. Just quickly bring out your mirror and needle, hair expression, you know, that'll go. Okay, guys, it's very simple hairstyle. Yes. So guys, we are almost done. Yeah, please guys, I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Please share this video, share, like, subscribe. Okay guys, so I will be leaving the product name in the description box, okay, and the link of my videos. Okay guys, as you enjoy this video, share, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.